Brothers and sisters in Christ, what if I told you there's an invisible weapon more powerful than all the world's riches, more effective than any human strategy, and capable of changing your destiny? You already have it. It's prayer. But have you really been using it the way God intended? Prayer is not just a ritual or a morning habit. It's a conversation with the Creator of the universe, direct access to the throne of grace. Hebrews 4 verse 16 reminds us, "Let us therefore come boldly unto the throne of grace, that we may obtain mercy and find grace to help in time of need." It's like having a direct line to the King of Kings, no waiting, no middleman. It opens heaven. Acts 16 shows Paul and Silas praying in prison, and the chains fall off. Prayer shifts atmospheres. It transforms the heart. The more you talk to God, the more He shapes your thinking, your character, and your priorities. It releases God's power. James 5 verse 16 says, "The effectual, fervent prayer of a righteous man availeth much." Prayer is not optional, it's a spiritual key. Praying without faith, only praying when things go wrong. Treating prayer as an obligation instead of a privilege. Speak to God sincerely, not with empty words, but with your heart. Pray with the word. Use God's promises in your prayers. Be persistent. Luke 18 verse 1 says, "We must always pray and not give up." My dear believers, prayer is not your spare tire. It's your steering wheel. It's not your last resort. It's your first weapon. Use it and you'll see God move in areas you thought were lost. What's the greatest answer God has given you through prayer? Share it in the comments to encourage someone today. If this message spoke to you, come back for more faith building and holiness teaching videos. And most importantly, share this video with someone who needs to rediscover the power of prayer. Thank you for watching.